guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a product review, and that's this big guy right here. Do you want to know what this is about and how this works? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this company right here, I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it. I'm gonna say it's GYROOR. I'm not quite sure, but it's right there, GYROOR. They got a hold of me and they asked if I'd be willing to show you guys a scooter, a hoverboard, something from their site. And right now would be an amazing time because of Christmas coming up. So I thought this was a nice thing to show you guys if you have kids or a gift idea for anybody, an adult, children, whichever. They have amazing sales on a lot of these, and they have so many different hoverboards to choose from. They have scooters, and they even have the little shoes where they're like two separate things on your feet. I'm not quite sure what they're called. They have so many different things. Some of theirs are sold out, and I believe this specific model is now sold out, but they will be bringing it back. So if you want to check back or check out all the other ones that they have so many different styles. It's unbelievable. So I will link everything down below. You can definitely go check them out. I'm going to actually take this outside to finish opening it. But this thing looks like it's going to have so many cool features. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it has a Bluetooth speaker on here. So like you can listen to your music while you're strolling around. I know this one is for off-road, so you can go off-roading on it or straight ground, that kind of thing. So I definitely wanted to choose one that would be more universal, that can do it all, so we can show you guys how it works in case you were interested in knowing how one works or you wanted to get one for a gift. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So and I did read that there's supposed to be like a handle, like a little handle to make it easy. Oh, it must be right here. So, yep. So let's lift it out. And then what is inside is the charger and the manual. Okay, so it looks like there are lights back here. It has like this little cover here, which almost looks like carbon fiber. And let's see the front. There are lights in the front as well, and that must be the speaker. And there's a little handle. Okay, so you charge it down here on the bottom. You slide this, and that is where you stick the charger. I highly recommend downloading the app if you do purchase any product from this company. This is a really good tool to use because not only right here you can see how fast you're going if you wanted to see while you're using it, but there's a lot of different settings you can actually control through this app. So any smartphone, any device, you can download this app and then you can access your settings as well. So in the settings, if you were to click on that, right here you can control if you have the self-balancing mode turned on or off. You can do the adult mode or the children mode. And then there's also a few other cool things you can do down here as well. And you can change the speed going up to 20 miles an hour. So if you go back to the main screen, right here, you can actually turn it off in the top right-hand corner. You can turn the device off through the app. It'll ask you, hey, you sure you're trying to turn me off, basically? And then it'll disconnect. Now on the left side, you're seeing that it's disconnected from the device, but the app will not allow you to turn it on from the app. You can only turn it on from the device. So turning it back on, I'm now connected, going back to the settings. You can hit this button down here and it'll actually scan, do like an analysis to the device, make sure everything is working 100%, and here everything is normal. So then if you go back to the settings, you can click on this color. It brings up like a color wheel, as you will. If you have it in the middle where the center is on the black, you have no lights, so it's no lighting. If you move it to the white, you have the white lights. Then if you move it to red, purple, navy blue, teal blue, green, and then there's also a yellow. So you control the lights. Now here is him using this. He's never ever in his entire life used a hoverboard. This is not even a minute on it. Already doing little 360s. reversing. Check you out.
Super friendly. Super easy.
It's what?
Super easy.
Super easy. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that I have to show you about this smart hoverboard. Again, everything will be linked down below. You can definitely check them out, see all of the different things that they have, because it's not just hoverboards. Again, they have scooters, they have the little shoot things, whatever that's called. They have so many different models and colors of the hoverboards as well. So if you are interested, definitely check them out down below. Thank you again to the company for sending me this. I greatly do appreciate it. And yeah, so you guys comment down below. Let me know, have you ever tried a hoverboard? Have you purchased one? Did you want to purchase one for a gift or for yourself? Comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.